get it. Use your hands. Be careful. Use your hands. Come get it. Oh, what do you got?
Bear.
It's a penguin, actually, but a bear is close. Can you give the bear a kiss? That's precious, honey. Go get it, Allie. Go on, sweetie. Come on. Come get it. Come on, little girl. Come get the bear. There you go. Come on. Come on, you can do it. There you go, sweetie. Come on. Almost there, sweetheart. Go, Allie, go. Here she comes. She just got to get that little foot out from underneath her.